Omwirukanje Rangano wa Moses Kipsuro kuza kwaya abanyankore hamwe n'abanyakigezi nobo yaba nagamba nko mwabirukanje bo mutana bu Uganda tunjire aha mukoro go kutongoza empakezi ziri kumanywanka Olympics Day Tokyo Run ubwo aba hari umwese gwa Ruzoto muri Kibega cy'Ruhura.
The people of Bushenyi, this going to be a really a big great day for that for on 20th June, because you know we also the professional athletes, we are coming to take part of the Olympic day run in Bushenyi. So I will really send this information to the people of Bushenyi, the young and the youth, to actually come up and exercise their talent.
Kipsuro nagira ngo kurujira kigeze na Bushenyi bine myanyiri nkakapcurwa wabo ngo kandi ntaranta bazine ko nkabatwire batakuzifaho ngo nahabwe icyo bakoreso mu gishogo okureta birukanje mu mpakezi.
Not like us in Sabay, because for us in Sabay we have taken it as a business. You wake up in the morning, you see the building of Joshua, you see the building of Kiproti, you see the building of Kipsiro, you say no, I want to run, I want to be like so and so. So but now for you people of Kigezi and the Bushenyi people, you don't have someone like a mentor. But we have come in to actually pass the information to you that you know, take part in this run.
Aha mukoro gwakurwa mukuru w'ikorero ry'ebitoke Professor Florence Muranga kandi gwahikwaho umuhandico mukuru wa Uganda Olympic Commission Lydia Damuzungu mukuru w'entebe ya katano habwa district ya Kiruhura dano mukagorotete byatwere ku rege na miliyoni 2 kandi yagaraka yayebembero kushoroza sente ziri kwingana miliyoni 12 okwera kugura ubukonje bwo kwirukanga Chete Running Kits.
We heard that the greatest scare of death is not actually not even HIV anymore. It is actually the sitting down. Sitting down is #1 cause of death. Okay?
Nitwaza kutraininga abana bitu batandike kwiruka. Abo kuba haro kilometers 5, haro kilometers 14, haro kilometers 20. Cyo uko kwiruka kurumune bra. Ore irkanje kilometer 20 naza kutunga miliyoni 20. Harbu miliyoni 15, harbu miliyoni 15.
Kipsuro to walk or to run with Kiruhura farmer. You take a video, you keep it for demonstration at a cost of 1 million Uganda shillings. So Mr. Kipsuro, can you come and we run? We start from here, we run there, then we start, go back, then we run.
Habaho no kushajika Kipsuro na timu yo mu mpakezi. Aho muhinji kandi umurisa mukuru wa Kiruhura Emmanuel Tayebwa yayirukangamo na Moses Kipsuro.
The farmer is the winner.
Okwirukango kunukija kuba ibiro 20 kwezoko kandi umukuru wihanga President Yoweri Museveni no warkwija kuba mwirukanje mukuru. Abwa TV West and Aloysius Byamukama.
No hydrating, so you have a bottle, a water bottle, very good.